Well, I'm pretty excited. It is time to try the beer. So this is how unprepared I am as a beer drinker. I'm going to use the iGULU mug that they were handing out at the CES. But I do have a glass here, so let's... there's that clip I mentioned here that we need to undo. And to undo that, you just pull back on this tab, and now it's loose. I'm sorry. And well, let's do a pour. Well, that looks initially pretty foamy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let some of the gas out. And what I noticed as soon as I did that, it was pumping CO2 into it. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can take the CO2 off. Okay. Let's see if that comes out a little bit smoother. Well, not as foamy, but obviously I need that CO2 pressure to push the beer through. The beer is a little hazy, but we haven't filtered it or anything like that, so let's see how it tastes. Oh, it smells good. Oh yeah, yeah, that is excellent. It's got just the right amount of hop bitterness to it. So the hops that they use in this is Mosaic. Oh, this is very pleasant. This is a good beer. And what I'm going to enjoy for the game day, not that I'm promoting any team winning over another, you know, but just saying, looking forward to the big game this weekend. And, well, I hope that if you want to try getting into brewing beer, that you try this. This is really a simple, idiot-proof, and I'm only saying that for me, system. And I've got people standing in the side here that want to try this beer, and they're a little jealous. I'm just going to take my time drinking it and making them just wait. Yeah, that's... and I'm not a big bitter beer person, so the bitters are just enough. They're not overwhelming. The hops comes out incredibly well. Wow. I don't know what to say about this other than I like it. I will try getting other people to come in that want to be filmed, and you can get their opinion, whether they like it or not, but everything came out well, and I think you can do it too. So my thoughts, my complete thoughts. Now I know I had a little mechanical issue with this, and as I've said already, iGULU will send me the replacement part for that. So they were good at honoring their warranty and want to make sure that the customers are happy. But even without that feature, I think this is an awesome machine. even the pump in here, when I disconnected it and I reconnected it, the CO2 is doled out to keep it at the right pressure. I don't know, there's so much built into these that I think is a fantastic feature. Looking at the manual, there's a heater in there. There's, of course, the cooling, the temperature sensing, the sensing that the jug is in there, the keg, that's the word. There's a sensor that the keg is in there. Gosh, it's the touch screen. There's so much here that is just added in here. I don't know that the green here shows up, that it's completed. But even this is just as a status thing. I was so thrilled when it finished its brewing and I came out and the light was green and it was ready for me to serve. Now, I didn't serve right away because I wanted to make sure I had time to be able to video it. But there is so much good in this. Now, is it for everybody? No. I don't think it is for everybody. I wish I could say it was, but the price point is a little high, not high that because of everything that they packed in here, but high for the average schmo maybe. No, that's not right. Let's not say schmo. The average person, it may be high for someone that it has a tight budget or is looking for discount beer, because this is not a cheap system with the packets. It averages out to, well, I think over $1.50, maybe $2 for a tall glass of beer. And that's, I mean, I can go out and buy beer for that. But it won't be like this beer. It won't be fresh like this beer. And it won't have the taste that this beer has. And those that didn't want to be on camera and taste it are loving it. And yeah, I have yet to see anybody that does not like the beer. So if you're entertaining and having a small party, or just for yourself, but if you're having a small party, it'll blow people away that they can pull their own beer that you brewed for them. Just like Super Bowl's happening this weekend, and my friends are going to be able to enjoy a beer that we made here. I'm excited. I'm excited to try other recipes too. The other thing I want to do, and I'm going to do the pale ale again, but I'm going to do it, well, I don't even have to add the bitters in the beginning. I could add the bitters later and add as many drops as I want to make it to the bitterness I need. Maybe. I don't know. It seems possible. And I don't know. It's fun. When I brewed beer, my attention span was very short. And what I mean is, some people can do something over and over and over and over again. I can't. Like fly tying. I do. I don't know how you want to say it. But I can only do 1, 2, maybe 4 flies before I'm bored to death, and I got to go do something else or a different type of fly. Well, there's others that can tie dozens and dozens at one sitting. That's not me. So same for the recipes on this. I am looking forward to trying the basic recipe so I know what it tastes like, and then I want to play. What if I don't add the bitters right away, or all the bitters? Maybe I just put half a packet. What does it taste like? What if I do a different extract for the hops? I don't know. Put Cascade in. The hops they use is Mosaic. And so, I mean, they've got this combination down very well. Anyway, those are what goes through my mind. Do I love this machine? Yes. Yes, I do. Am I excited about what the future will bring with it? Absolutely. It doesn't make too much beer, so I can enjoy it, not feel guilty. I won't be throwing away beer, or having to go to parties to be able to get rid of the beer. But I'll be able to make small batches and try different flavors myself. Hopefully later on, I'll make beers that are strictly from extracts that I get from my local brew place. And we'll just have fun trying something new and different. I'll try a mead as well. I think in between now and the next beer I do, I'm going to do just some sparkling water with some flavor in it. What the heck? I can do that with this. Maybe do a wine later on. I don't know. There's so many possibilities here. I do believe I'm going to have to buy another keg, 1-gallon keg from them, just so I can rotate things out. Put something in the fridge. Like if I do a wine that's a longer fermentation, I could put that into, like I say, the fridge or a cold area to keep it cool or at the temperature I need to. Anyway, thank you for your patience and time with me. And if you like, please subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.